Dogecoin's journey has been anything but boring. Since its creation in 2013, it has experienced dizzying highs and stomach-churning lows, often mirroring the volatile nature of the broader cryptocurrency market. The year 2021 was undoubtedly Dogecoin's year. Fueled by social media hype and endorsements from high-profile figures like Elon Musk, Dogecoin embarked on an epic bull run, smashing through previous price records. On May 7, 2021, Dogecoin reached its all-time high of 73.76 cents. To put that in perspective, an investment of just £100 at the beginning of 2021 would have been worth over £12,000 at its peak. However, what goes up must eventually come down. The euphoria of the 2021 bull market was followed by a market correction, and Dogecoin's price retreated from its all-time high. It has since struggled to regain those lofty heights, trading in a range between 20 and 35 cents for much of 2024 and early 2025. Despite this recent downturn, the Dogecoin community remains surprisingly resilient. They continue to support the coin, using it for microtransactions, tipping content creators, and even charitable donations. This unwavering enthusiasm begs the question, can Dogecoin recapture its former glory? To understand Dogecoin's potential trajectory, we must delve into the fascinating world of technical analysis. By examining historical price charts and indicators, we can try to identify patterns and trends that might offer clues about future price movements. Looking at the one-day chart for Dogecoin, we see a bearish trend emerging. The price is currently trading below its 50-day moving average, a key indicator of short-term momentum. Adding to the bearish sentiment is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, currently at 37.33. An RSI below 50 suggests the asset is oversold, potentially signaling further downside. However, zooming in on the 4-hour chart paints a slightly more optimistic picture. While volatility remains elevated, we see bullish support emerging around the 30-cent mark. The RSI on the 4-hour chart is also showing signs of life, currently at 32.39 and trending upwards. This could indicate that short-term buying pressure is building. It's important to note that technical analysis is not an exact science. It's more of an art form, open to interpretation and subject to the whims of market sentiment. While charts can provide valuable insights, they should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis, such as fundamental analysis and market sentiment. Section 4. Gazing into the crystal ball. Dogecoin price predictions. Predicting the future price of any asset, let alone a notoriously volatile one like Dogecoin, is a fool's errand. Countless factors can influence its price, from macroeconomic trends and regulatory changes to Elon Musk's Twitter activity. However, that doesn't stop analysts and enthusiasts from making educated guesses about Dogecoin's potential. So, let's indulge in a bit of speculative fun. Based on current market conditions, historical data, and a healthy dose of optimism, here are some price predictions for Dogecoin in the coming years. By the end of 2025, 58.3 cents. In 2026, 90.7 cents. By 2028, $1.56. And by 2031, $2.53. Keep in mind that these are just predictions, not financial advice. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously unpredictable, and these prices could prove wildly inaccurate. It's also worth noting that Cryptopolitan, a reputable cryptocurrency news and analysis website, offers a more conservative outlook for Dogecoin's price in 2025, predicting a range between 30 and 55 cents. However, they remain optimistic about its long-term potential, suggesting it could even surpass $2 by 2031. Only time will tell what the future holds for Dogecoin. Section 5. The Dogefather speaks, recent news and notable mentions. Dogecoin's price isn't solely determined by technical indicators and market trends. It's also heavily influenced by news and sentiment, particularly from influential figures. One such figure is Elon Musk, affectionately dubbed the Dogefather by the Dogecoin community. Musk's tweets about Dogecoin have been known to send its price soaring, and sometimes plummeting. In a recent tweet on January 31, 2025, Musk commented on Dogecoin's great progress, seemingly hinting at its potential. While the tweet lacked specifics, it was enough to spark a flurry of speculation among Dogecoin enthusiasts. In more concrete news, Grayscale Investments, a leading digital currency asset manager, recently launched a Dogecoin trust. This move is significant as it provides institutional investors with a regulated way to gain exposure to Dogecoin. potentially boosting its legitimacy and attracting further investment. Grayscale has also hinted at plans to launch a Dogecoin ETF, pending regulatory approval, which could further fuel Dogecoin's growth. These recent developments suggest that Dogecoin is slowly but surely gaining mainstream acceptance. Whether this translates into sustained price growth remains to be seen. Section 6. To the moon or bust. Assessing Dogecoin's investment potential. So, should you be adding Dogecoin to your investment portfolio? The answer, as with most things in life, is nuanced. Dogecoin undoubtedly possesses some attractive investment characteristics. Its strong community, meme-worthy status, and growing adoption as a payment method cannot be ignored. These factors contribute to its unique appeal and could drive future growth. However, potential investors should also be aware of the risks. Dogecoin is incredibly volatile and its price can swing wildly in short periods. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a fixed supply, Dogecoin has an unlimited supply, meaning new coins are constantly being created. This could potentially lead to inflation and downward pressure on its price over the long term. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Dogecoin depends on your individual risk tolerance, investment goals, and understanding of the cryptocurrency market. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 7. Conclusion. The future of fund finance? Dogecoin has defied expectations, rising from an internet joke to a multi-billion-dollar asset. Its journey thus far has been a wild ride, characterized by incredible highs and gut-wrenching lows. While its future remains uncertain, one thing is clear. Dogecoin has captured the hearts and minds of millions, becoming a cultural phenomenon that transcends the world of finance. Whether Dogecoin reaches the moon or fades into obscurity, it has undoubtedly left its mark on the cryptocurrency landscape. It has challenged the status quo, injected a much-needed dose of humor into the often serious world of finance, and demonstrated the power of community and memes in the digital age. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of the metaverse and Web3, perhaps Dogecoin, with its focus on fun, inclusivity, and accessibility, offers a glimpse into the future of finance. A future where digital currencies are not just about speculation and profit, but also about community, creativity, and a shared love of Shiba Inus.